Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. So today, you guys, I'm just gonna do a quick get ready with me. My eyes have been feeling a little bit irritated. So I have to keep that in mind because I'm just like, I don't know if I want to wear lashes today or whatever, but also the tip of my nose has like a little bit of dry skin, so I'm just gonna have to like add some more of a hydrating primer. I did go in with a little bit of my Hydro Boost water gel with hyaluronic acid. This is from Neutrogena, so I did add that. So I'm gonna start off with my face right now. I'm gonna go in with this primer right here. This is the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. This one here, I absolutely love it. I love the fact that it's like a creamy consistency, so I feel like I'm getting an extra moisturizer on top, you know, underneath the foundation and everything. So I'm just gonna add that, and especially on the tip. And obviously, since I have some dry patches, I am going to be going in with a dewy, not a matte foundation. So I'm going to be going in with this one here. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, and I'm going to be using this today. I'm going to grab my e.l.f. sponge, but it is a little wet, like super wet. So I'm going to just grab a paper towel and just take out all whatever water is left in here and just like make sure it's damp enough for me to use. So that's good enough. So I'm just going to grab my e.l.f. sponge and I'm just going to apply some of the foundation on here. And my nose feels a little stuffy. I don't know. I think it's just, I don't know. The weather keeps changing. It's so crazy, you guys. It was hailing earlier today. I'm just like, what is going on? I need some consistency in this, you know, in this world right now. This whole COVID thing and everything, it just has everything crazy. The weather's bugging. I don't know. But I just need life to go back to normal. And this is really quick and easy. So basically, I think I could get this done really fast. Let's see. What, like a 10-minute makeup look? See, I said maybe, I don't know. Going in with concealer, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It's a nice satin finish, and I'm just gonna add a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit on the bridge, a little bit on the chin. There you go. And then I'm going to add, at the same time, I'm going to go in with this right here. This is the Maybelline Superstay Multi-Use Foundation Stick. I usually go one at a time, but you know what? Let's see what happens here. So I'm going to add a little bit on the nose, lips here. Let's see. So now I'm just going to grab my sponge again, and I'm just going to go in and blend that out one at a time. All right, so now I'm just going to go in and blend the cream bronzer. And by the way, I don't think I shared what shade that was. That was Warm Sun in 334. Just gonna go in right there, blend everything out. I just love blending everything out with a sponge. I like going in with a brush, but then finishing it off with a sponge because it just looks super like flawless and just very nice and airbrush, you know what I mean? So, well, we got that going on. Oh, not bad, I did pretty good. So I think I could do that going forward now that I did it now. Looks good. Okay. So now, you guys, I'm just going to go in and set my under eye. I am going to be going in with this right here. This is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Light Medium. I'm going to grab a little bit and grab some with my sponge and go underneath my eye. Well, actually, I should have gotten the light crap. Oh well, whatever. We're just gonna do that. Actually, no. I'm gonna go in with my my Laura Mercier powder instead. I'm just gonna go over that. That sucks because I think I just messed it up, but whatever. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of the Maybelline on this side as well because I don't want it to look off on one side and not the other. So going in now with my Laura Mercier powder, gonna grab some of that and boom. There you go. Whatever. There's like no definition right now. Let me see if I add a little bit more of this Laura Mercier. Sorry for all the banging, but let's lighten this up a little bit in here. Okay, that looks better. Okay. There you go. That looks good. Trying to get some more powder out of here. Perfection. Look at that. Fixed it, fixed it. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit on the forehead. All right, so now I'm actually gonna grab the Maybelline Fit Me powder, the loose finishing powder in the shade Deep, which is the number 35. I have been using this as like a bronzer, so I'm just gonna go over that right here. And it's just really nice and light, gives you the color that you want, you know, a nice little bronze. It looks perfect. Perfect, perfect. I was gonna say perfection, it came out perfect. So it looks really good. I'm gonna do my nose right here, my neck. I really like this. It's really a really good powder and it lasts all day. I've been doing this a lot. I'm actually gonna grab some and use that for my eyes. So I will be grabbing this brush right here. This is the JH32. So grabbing whatever's on the top of here, I'm just going to apply right here on the crease. You know, we like to use bronzer for our shadow, but we're going to use some loose powder. And this is perfect. Now I'm just going to go in with the same brush and I'm just going to apply some on the lower lash line. Now I'm just going to go in with some highlighter. I'm going to grab this one from Maybelline. This is the Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I'm actually going to grab this with a pencil brush. So I'm going to grab a little bit of that and I'm just going to apply that right here on the inner corner of the eye, just like that. It's super quick and easy, you guys. And now I'm just going to grab a highlighter brush and I'm going to go in with this one here. This is the one from BH Cosmetics and I'm just going to grab a little bit of the highlighter, apply that on the high points. Grab a little bit on the tip of the nose, Cupid's bow, and maybe a little bit here on the brow bone. There you go. All right, so now that we have that, I am going to go in with my brows. I'm going to brush these babies out. My hair is looking all sorts of crazy right now. Let me fix this. Okay, so I'm just going to brush them out real quick. And I'm going to go in with this one. This is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Just going to do something quick. I'm going to go in with this right here. This is the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel. Just going to add a little bit of that to my brows. And I think this one's a little thicker than my other brow, but that's okay. They are never going to be the same. It is what it is. So now that that's done, I'm going to move on to my lashes, and I'm going to curl my lashes today. I'm not going to do anything like adding lashes. I'm just going to curl them. And I'm just going to add some mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. And now for lips, I'm going to go in with my KKW lip liner. This one is in the shade 2.5, and then my lipstick is in the shade 2 Nude. And now I'm just going to set my face with the NYX Bear With Me setting spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Super quick and easy for every day, and nice and bronzy and very nice and subtle, you guys. I feel like it's a nice soft glam. Also, if you want to add lashes, add lashes. I didn't because my eyes were bothering me. And you guys, I actually have lashes now, which is crazy. My lashes grew back, which is awesome. Really happy about that. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.